Well, the Giltrap Group was founded in 1966. It's still owned by Sir Colin Giltrap and his family. Represents 18 different brands, everything from everyday cars to the luxury stuff you see around us. There's 15 different locations, literally thousands of cars sold every year, and they're all different brands. Everyone wants things done in their own way. To be able to bring that together, one sort of 360-degree view of each customer, lets us look after that customer in the best possible way.
We have effectively 7 different data sets in which we needed to unify into one area. We had an idea of somewhat what the customer looked like, but we needed to enhance that further.
Our single view insight into our customers is to use, so it makes our job a lot easier. So we can have better contact, better communication, better results, a better understanding where the customer is within any of our dealerships at any one time. You know, we realised that we needed to move off a centralised server in the dealerships and move to an online system.
Moving into Dynamics 365 really allowed us to make processes as far as contacting our customers a lot more efficient, but also segmenting our data a lot better so we get a clearer picture of who they are, what their preferences are, what their behaviours are like.
So we'd been with Fusion 5 from the beginning, so we decided to partnership them again to the move into 365 platform. We were after Power BI, we were after a Zero platform, we were after a 365 online. The biggest thing that we actually note for us is that keeping Fusion 5 on board meant that we have one stop. We didn't have multiple companies we had to go to. We wanted the ability to actually go to them and say, can you offer a solution? And whether it would be from creating EDNs or creating workflows or under pressure to get something done, they're always there. They always give a timeline, they always fit that timeline, which is great for us. The benefits of the new platform are that we have 365 online. We do not have a server anymore that we have to upgrade. We have an Azure artificial intelligence underneath the system that can actually talk back to our BI tool. At the end of the day, basically it streamlines our system. It's an ease of use, so the customer transition is very, very easy for us. We understand better where the customer is coming from, and we can obviously relate back to the customer easy as well.
For us, the key standout of working with Fusion 5 is that they get our business and they make an effort to understand what we're trying to achieve, and that's a win for all of us.